Calibration on the axleWEIGhr is done by setting a dynamic factor. This involves calculating the known weight by the actual read weight and then calculating that factor. Because this scale's weighing in motion, this can be done with a local vehicle with a known weight. Stay tuned to the following video to see how to set the dynamic factor from the front panel of the 423. Begin by holding down F2 to enter the setup menu. From there, use the arrow keys and navigate to dyn.scl. Press OK. At inbound, press OK again. Now you've entered the dynamic setting. To set the new value, key in the value with up to 6 places to the right of the decimal and press OK. When done, use the clear or cancel key to back out to the weigh mode. To set this factor, you would take 3 weights off of the scale, and you would get the average of those 3 weighments, and then you would divide that by the known weight to come up with your factor. So let's take a look at how that's done. In this scenario, we're running a 3-axle truck. We want to drive it across the scale the same direction and the same speed each time, from 1 to 2 miles an hour. We'll show our first 2 runs here. Run 1 is 34,960. And on run 2, we have 34,900. And on run 3, we end up with 34,940. So we'll add those 3 together and we'll divide by 3. And that helps us to come up with an average of 34,933. Because our known weight is higher than our average weight, we divide the known weight into the lower average weight. This will give us a value above 1. So we'll take our value, our 1.007643, and we can enter that into the dynamic scale factor number shown earlier in this video. If you've already set your dynamic factor and you have a value that's in there and it's other than 1.0, then you can navigate to the axleWEIGhr.com website and you can use the axleWEIGhr test and calibration calculator to determine what your new factor would be based on your old factor. If you're starting at 1.0, then the previous method shown in this video will work. Otherwise, you'll need to refer to this document here that shows how to calculate a new dynamic factor.